Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, finance, you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one, Lunar Beach's top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dark, like shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see future in sight. It's markets after dark, the financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way that...
Good evening and welcome to Markets After Dark, where we go mad on the charts. Let me know in the chat if everything is good. Are we lagging or are we okay? Do I need to look at my phone? Turn my Bluetooth off. Think we're good? Are we lagging? Oh, we're good. Sweet. All right, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Markets After Dark, where we go mad on the charts right here on Piper Academy Network, Sunday through Thursday, 10 p.m. Central Standard Time, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time till midnight. I don't know, maybe we'll go a little bit late tonight because I am off work for the next 10 days. So that is awesome. So I've got a lot of time off. I plan on getting a lot done with some videos, maybe some videos. We'll have to wait. We'll have to see. But whenever I find the time, I think the next couple of days are going to be a little bit too much with family and all that stuff, the holidays, all that good jazz. So we'll see. I'm debating whether or not I will have a show tomorrow night because Santa is coming tomorrow night, and yeah, need to be able to do that. So I need to be there to see Santa. You know what I mean? In case anybody has any kids chilling around them right now. But anyways, enough with all of that. Let's go ahead and bring you guys up, see what you guys are all chatting about over here. I see the chat going mad in my peripheral. Let's see. Let's go ahead and say good evening to everybody. Good evening, all set. Good evening. Oh man, chat's moving too much. Hold up. Good evening, all set. Good evening, Melissa. One love. How are you doing? Hopefully, the holidays are your busy season slowing down for you. Hopefully you get a little bit of a break. What's going on? Thank you for being here. Dylan VA. Hi all. Good to see you again, Dylan VA. We've got Crypto Pollo Cluck Cluck. Let's go, the Bitcoin chicken. Hope you are doing well, Crypto Pollo, and aren't being too degenerate with the trading. We have... Oh, speaking of Crypto Pollo gifted 5 Piper Academy memberships. Well, let's go. Who got memberships? Let's see. We've got beautiful working and nice background. Thank you. You made it on time. Yeah, you did. All right, let's see. Gifted a membership. Let's see who all got membership. It looks like Crypto Pollo gifted a membership to himself. Right there. I don't know how that works. It looks like Ooh, Kalichi Agucha. Welcome to the Piper Academy. Sam, welcome to the Piper Academy. Kamish, what's going on, Kamish? And Nick Musgrave, welcome to the Piper Academy, or congratulations on your monthly extension. Let's see, who else do we have tonight? Alexandra G. I knew I would see that name pop up in here. Buenas noches, Senor David. Feliz Navidad. What is going on, Bit Innuendo? Hope you are doing well, Senor. Ansel and R.S. Miller. Good evening to all of you. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for being here. The eve of Christmas Eve. We're doing it right. Oh. My cup is green it's got like Christmas trees on it and it's just an all green cup. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Oh, Sniper's Nightmare. We got Sniper's Nightmare in the chat. Y'all want to see something else that's funny? I got this really awesome Bitcoin hat for Christmas. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's got BTC on the side. It's got HODL on the other side. But up under the bill, it's green. Look at that. Isn't that funny? So, I mean, do I wear it like this and have that line going across right there? Or what do I do? Failure in the Matrix. That's funny. No cup there, bro. You Why does everybody I swear. Sniper's Nightmare. LMAO. Yeah, it's pretty funny. So I gotta wear this one backwards because I don't think it looks right. All right. G. All right, let's go ahead. Let's get over here. And let's get into the charts. It is TA Tuesday. So let's do it. TA Tuesday. Oh, check this out. Oh, it's green. Is the green screen gonna mess with it? Maybe if I change it to red. Probably can't see it because of the light. Star Wars hologram. Look at that. It's pretty cool. There's the green. If you guys didn't know, I'm a pretty big Star Wars fan, so pretty awesome paperweight, if you know what I mean. It's gotta have something to weigh down the stack of Bitcoin, right? How's everybody doing? Managed to catch a trade this morning. Caught H-bar for an early Christmas present. Heck yeah. Sniper's Nightmare. That's awesome. Let's go. All right, but Bitcoin, what are we doing, guys? It's not looking good. We've been chopping today, chopped sideways today. Let's go ahead and go to the daily chart and just take a look at that. So we can see, I mean, just ugly. Just like a ugly indecision candle. Didn't really move a whole lot. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Taking his time. Come on now. We got direct Ethernet connected. Let's be a little quicker. This is official. I need a new I need a new PC, guys. This is what I need. Yeah, new members, be sure to join the Discord. Link in the description down below. Also, don't forget, guys, you're running out of time to get into the Billy Goat Tales NFT book giveaway. Do not forget that. In order to enter to, in this New Year's giveaway, be sure to become a YouTube member. That gives you 1 entry into the giveaway, or become a member of the Discord, become an upperclassman, WAP upperclassman in our Discord, link in the description down below. That'll give you 2 entries into the NFT, Billy Goat Tales NFT book giveaway. But also, if you are both, you will get 3 entries. So be sure to get into that, because you don't want to miss out on this book. It also, I mean, it's chapters 1 through 10. Number 9 was a rare mint. There were only about 60 of them minted. So you'll get the whole book, all 10 chapters. You'll get the number 9, which is extremely rare. And there are Easter eggs, there is an Easter egg in one of the books. So be sure and check that out. A little surprise for whoever gets that Easter egg. So do that. Check that out. Join the VIP Upperclassmen Discord. Alexandra G, the mod queen, just posted it in the chat. So be sure to check that out. Let's see. Lunar, hola, French toaster. Build one yourself. I did it and saved money. Build one what? I don't remember what I was talking about. Build one what? And save money. Sorry. All right, so Bitcoin, yep. It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Let's go back out to the weekly chart, because Piper did point this out. He said engulfing candlestick. Yeah, and that is a major engulfing candlestick right there in the weekly close last week. I mean, it took back all of the previous 2 weeks gains and then some. And then this week we are just sitting steady. Last night we went over how the week of Christmas isn't usually a time that we get a pump. And I've even said, I've made statements that, like, in my entire time in crypto, I don't think, build a computer. Oh, yeah. Well, I mean, I plan on it. But the entire time I've been in crypto, I don't think I know that I had never seen this so-called Santa rally. What is that? Get out of here. Is that a mosquito? It's 30 degrees outside. Lost my train of thought. Anyways, point is, we're bearish, okay? We are bearish. And bearish engulfing candlestick, especially when you engulf 2 of them, 2 weeklies. I mean, it's the telltale sign. You also have multiple new lows put in on the daily chart. However, still holding this level here. However, you guys know me, if you've been watching me long enough, we've got equal lows on the daily chart. And we've even got another one coming in. So whether or not we come up is the real question for me personally. Because I still think we are going to be seeing some more downside. My only question is, do we get a little dead cat bounce before we see more downside? Or do we just go ahead and come down and get into these lower levels here? I know we've got a fair value gap, or not a fair value gap, but a CME gap, like right down here. And that would just, that would be nothing, that's nothing. Honestly, that is absolutely nothing. That would be completely normal, completely okay. And I think it is exactly what we are going to get. Maybe not straight line down, we'll see. But I do think we are going to get down to that level, bottom out, form some type of bottoming structure, and then come out. Don't look at this for time, price, anything like that. I'm just trying to give an idea of where price could go and what that could lead to. In fact, I think this might be the healthiest thing Bitcoin could do, is this correction right here, and then move back on up to the upside. Let's go ahead and turn on our fluid trades, SMC light. So I love this indicator because, well, let me just get rid of, it does give you like points of interest, like demand and supply zones, but I'll just like to remove those to give myself a little bit of a better picture. And what I'll do, let's see, let's go ahead and, so I want to take the last low and then put it at the most recent high and then get my pullback. And that gets us right into that CME gap right there at the golden pocket. I mean, it's perfect. It's right there. Then I zoom out to my monthly chart because I know that I have a fair value gap on my forming on my monthly chart. And then so I want to draw on that. So I'm going to give myself my monthly fair value gap. What does that get us into? That monthly fair value gap. If we can come up and get a close above that, the halfway mark on the fair value gap. Let me go ahead and put a middle line on that. So a close above 82,400, call it $82,500. Get a close above that on the, this would be the January chart. So this is what I'm kind of expecting, a push down in January, get into that monthly fair value gap. We have the CME gap down there as well, and then get a close above the midway point of that fair value gap. If we do that, then I would probably be going gig along from there, because this type of move, when you break a high, you create a fair value gap. When you break that high, a lot of the times the next candle, which would be the January candle, will push down into that fair value gap that was created, close above that 50% mark of the fair value gap. And if it does that, most of the time that leads to continuation. Now that can also mean we continue, but it might take 2 or 3 months to get out of here. I mean, but either way, that should be the low. So that is what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. And something else that we can watch is our USDT dominance. So when our USDT dominance is starting to gain some support, possibly push to the upside, then we can expect our Bitcoin and our crypto assets to bleed out, because that is people leaving and selling their assets potentially to get into USDT. Now this is the dominance, but if I go over to the USDT market cap, this is something that we want to see. I believe we want to see the USDT market cap increase, because that means you have people that are, or tethers anticipating buyers, or people are coming in exchanging USD for USDT or whatever it is. They create the new USDT, they print new USDT so that they can go and then buy assets with it. So we want to see an increase in that. But if we go down to the daily chart, we can see that has started to decrease the market cap of USDT. Now, how does that work? Are we burning USDT? Holy smokes, this guy looks baked. Why? Uh, anyways, I swear to God, dude. It's just my natural look, bro. All right, so always messing me up, I swear. USDT.D dominance. All right, so we can see as USDT was moving to the downside, that is when we got our push in our assets. Then it started to settle out and, find support. And then now what do we see in Bitcoin and crypto? We see pullbacks. So that is another thing that you can watch is the USDT dominance. Must be the invisible cup. Poner kills all trolls. Melissa is correct. What? Poner? Sorry, maybe it's the voice. Stoned? He's a landlocked beach bum. Basically. I do have this cup that's apparently from another dimension. But anyway, if it's anything, it's probably me being exhausted. A lot going on, a lot of family stuff going on. But anyway, so yeah, there's our CME gap. I mean, it takes us right down to that golden pocket on the Fibonacci. So, I mean, it just makes a lot of sense for us to get down there, and there's no reason why we shouldn't or can't. I don't care how much Bitcoin MicroStrategy buys. I mean, if you have more sellers than buyers, I mean, MicroStrategy's got to be buying from someone. Can't be buying from no one. So there you go. It's his hair and red shirt that makes him look red. I mean, let me see. He said it's the way I'm talking. Is it because I'm a slow country boy? No one could tell when I wasn't in 1080 HD. When I was only on 720, no one could tell. Oh yeah, I also only got 3 hours of sleep last night, so not 3, but I got 4 hours of sleep last night. What about, does this help? Does this help? How's this look? There we go. Somehow it looks worse. How about that? Oh, wait. How does that work? Am I supposed to be doing charts? Look what you got me doing. Oh, look, I'm a Simpson. I legit look like a Simpson. Uh, there we go. Yes, you are. Anyways. Let's push H bar to 46 again. I want my boat You want to take a look at H bar, Sniper? We can take a look at H bar. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominant, see what we're doing over here. It has been taking a little bit of a tumble. Yep, took a little bit of a tumble today, so that is very interesting. Let's take a look at our total to our altcoins. I'm not high. I am just mad. I hope you understand, my guy. Blah. Okay, well, it's been fun, guys. This bull run's over. There's our wave 5. No. If anything, I would be looking at ETH coming up here soon. Ethereum. It might be time for the ETH show to take place finally, as we look for ETH to finally break out into new all-time highs. I mean, it's almost there. It's almost there. I do think that we could come down into the box. Did break out of it, did have a weekly test sitting on top, more of a consolidation, and then we broke higher. Okay, so now I want to see us pull back into it and test it for support. Right here down, let's test that 2850 again, and then let's push to the upside. So yeah, I mean, generally, just across the board, I am pretty bearish. We do have this long-standing trend line that's been holding up for quite some time, so that's looking good. So that needs to hold as well. If we lose that, then we could start taking out some lows. So let's not lose this upwards trending support line. Let's hold on to that and get back into this level down here between that 28. Let's say the bottom side of this is going to be your 2750 to 3,000, 2750 to 3,000 level. So this is going to be my buy zone for like a long-term or mid-term swing trade. Looking at Ethereum, but outside of Ethereum, if Ethereum goes, then we got to start looking at layer 2s. So we want to go ahead and we want to take a look at like OP. What is OP doing? I haven't looked at OP in a while. Did I click it? Do you want to? Thank you. Yeah, I got wrecked in my short. I've removed off my trade. Don't trade BLZ. David, I told you David go at 46 cents was a steal. Oh yeah. I haven't even looked at it. Glad I'm not having my edibles until Xmas. I get tripping right now. No charts, just have fun with the special effects. Yeah, exactly. No more charts, just the specs. Optimism doesn't look very optimistic. But hey, if Ethereum can get going, then so can optimism. Let's just go ahead and pull all of this history. We do have a point of control sitting down here at about $1.38. So if Ethereum is to pull down, then I could definitely see optimism do the same and pull down even lower, about to that $1.39. And then if they can both settle out around the same time, hopefully we can start putting in some bullish divergences or something at the lows, something that helps get us pushed back to the upside. But right now, I mean, optimism is not looking terrible. I mean, we are on the weekly. we do see the true 7 above the 0 line, and we see the money flow kind of curving to the downside, or not kind of, definitely coming down to the downside, and our volume matrix definitely thick in the red. So we want to be very cautious here with optimism. It is currently struggling at the 0.236 at $1.96. So if it can't get through that, there's not really much of a fair value gap in here. I don't know what this random line is here. But it shot through this fair value gap right here, which typically means it's going to go down lower. If it shoots through a fair value gap and the fair value gap is not used as a bounce point or rejection point, then that fair value gap is more than likely just liquidity for the market to grab as it is moving either to the downside or to the upside. It's when you get a reaction off of the fair value gap when you really want to be paying attention to that fair value gap as a point of interest. You don't just want to say there's a gap there, well, let me see, it is a bullish gap, like it's a upwards gap, price is moving to the upside, gap is created, you come back down to it. You want to see the reaction when it gets in the fair value gap. You don't just want to jump into like a long trade if it's coming back down into it. You want to see the reaction. Now this one shot straight through the fair value gap right here, which to me tells me it's looking for further downside liquidity. It is looking for liquidity that is sitting lower than the price, than that fair value gap. We can see the trend fusion is pretty bearish. We are on the downwards end. Now we are putting in oversold and reversal indicators, however, or signals. However, when those get put in, they typically get put in early. So, and we got a little bit of a bullish divergence there, but we have some relatively equal lows right here. So I would not be shocked to see us come down and take out 126. We do have that point of control that could hold us up. Technically, this is a higher low from this one, but I wouldn't count on it. This is an altcoin. I don't really trust when there's equal lows like this. I really can't trust it. We do have an 886 just below this low over here at $1.258 for optimism. So I could see us getting down there. We do have a bit of an order block right here. So this last downwards candle right here, that is going to be my buy zone for optimism. That's what I'd be looking for right there. Potentially getting to the midpoint of that order block, but not necessarily having to get there with that 886 sitting right there. Something else we can add too is some EMAs. So I can throw on, I was playing with this before I came on. So this is Traders Reality Main. Shout out to Tino, love Tino. Great guy, great channel. He does great stuff. Great work. But we can see that on the daily chart that we are below the 50 EMA, and we are also below the 200 EMA, and we have even crossed the 800 EMA for optimism. So, but we did get cracked just barely back above that 800 EMA. We can go ahead and turn on our Market Oracle Pro Plus. Take a look over here. So we are sitting right at the quantum reactor and sitting below the dynamic reactor. So at the very least, it's mixed signals. It is choppiness, chop city to the sideways, to the sideways price action. We do have a vector candle over here. So a vector candle is just a high volume candle. When there's a little bit of space right here on this lower end of this candle, it's coming in at about $1.17. So I would maybe consider putting a spot limit order down right there, maybe even a 2 or 3x right there, right down right there at that $1.17, just to see if it does get hit. It's possible. We'll have to wait and see. I love tuxedo cats. What the heck are y'all talking about? Let's go ahead and bring up the chat and see what all of you beautiful people have been talking about. ETH layer 2s have been brutal. Yeah, they've been taking a beating. Need OP to get over 205 again. Every time I get into OP, it drops 50%. I gave up on it. It did that last bull run too. Yeah. OP, H-bar, Algo, and Vet been taking nicely recently. Yeah, I love a long BLZ. I tried to short. Yeah, I'm holding, blah. Hope some can translate that. Oh, from my cat. BLZ is a dead coin now. Used to get crazy moves over a year ago. Okay. Oh, I won't. There we go. Don't waste your time. Oh, I won't. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. So that is optimism. Is there anything you guys would like for me to look at specifically? If there is, please throw it in the chat. And I'll go over it. Try not to yawn. See, I think it really is just me being tired and exhausted. I mean, I can see my eyes are a little dark. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Not supposed to be doing that. ICP, please. ICP. Spell iCup. Looking about the same, except a little bit better. It is sitting on top of the 200 daily EMA. It did close above it. So that is good, but it is getting a little bit of a squeeze here between it, and it has lost the 5 and the 13 EMAs, and it is sitting below the 800 EMA. So we do have some vector candles down here. Just again, that's just liquidity that it could come down to. There's some vector candle zones down here in the green. So yeah, from down over here. Ooh. All right, let's zoom out because it looks like I've drawn on this. So this is what I was looking at. Come down. And look, this is Bitcoin right now. This is Bitcoin's move right now. Hold on. Hold on. We'll come back to this. My goodness. Should not be yawning. No, I just didn't see H bar. I saw other people put stuff in there before H bar. That's the only reason I got off at H bar. Sniper. He looked at H bar and thought that thing's already gone. That's funny. Oh, we're good, bro. We're good. All right. Shrink that a little bit. Bring this back up. Bring this back up. There we go. You got a little bit of a resemblance here. See, I like to do bars. I like to do bars patterns because market psychology tends to repeat itself, and market psychology is pretty much what drives the market, market sentiment and all that stuff. So we can just take a look at this and take a look at that. I mean, this says we do get down, fill that CME gap, and we also have the 200 EMA sitting right here, which could come up like that. It could fight that 50 for a minute, but then come back above it. And then get that little squeeze, pop above, come back down, and then go. That puts us in about March. Potentially. I mean, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Come back down, build that base just below, below 90K, right? Build that base below. Show that the demand is there. Pop back above it. Hold the line. Then go. So that would be ideal. Now we can go back over to ICP, and it is essentially going to be the same thing, except it's already further along in the process. So ICP, we could be looking at an ICP that is close to wrapping its whole correction up. We do see that we got a, wow, I had a lot of drawings on this one. Should have went to this one first. That actually doesn't look too bad. We do have a bullish divergence coming in here after a breakout, after the consolidation in a wedge pattern. Breakout, hit the 800, back test the 200. ICP. That's a pretty interesting chart. That's on the daily chart too. If it can hold and get back above that 50 EMA, I mean, we've got some zones down here that we could come and grab if we needed to. Not exactly necessary. We do have our 5, our 13, and our 50 EMAs all kind of converging at the same spot after holding up on the 200 EMA on the daily. So if we can get above all of these EMAs here and then see a nice little pullback, we'll just say that this is all the EMAs. We can get above all of the EMAs, come down and do something like that. I mean, I would be looking for ICP to potentially start putting in some upwards moves, man. That thing could get moving here soon. It's got to get back above that 50. And the 50 is currently sitting at $11.20. We'll call it $11.20. We're missing the ones from down under. It must be a holiday coming up. F. What are we typing? I like it, but F. F? Don't forget to smash the like. Yeah. So ICP, just, I would say it's in a holding pattern currently, and let's just get above that 50 EMA. Outside of that, downside targets, we could see it come down, sweep this low right here, and get down $8.16, maybe. We do have a lot of high volume candles in this area, but we're also got a bounce off of that area. Let's make this to where we can see it. There we go. Turn this off. Okay. Oh, well, guess not. So we have all of these high volume candles in here. The only one, so we do have this one right here that pushed out, showing high volume in this candle. We did not tap that candle. However, we did come down and get a big push, high volume push off of this general consolidation range right here. This is, whoops. Come on now. Just turn the magnet off. But this consolidation range right here, right there, came right back down into the apex of that consolidation range. Apex being the center point. Well, the apex is actually where the triangle, where both sides of the triangle meets the point. That's the apex. And price likes to come down and find its way down at the apex of triangles. So just a little tip, little something for you to look out for whenever you see some triangles on the charts. Go ahead and draw you out a midpoint and apex of that triangle. So I can take this triangle right here. This will end up meeting eventually. Let's go ahead and take, I like my original line better. So we got that one and this one. We want to stretch it all the way out. Stretch it. Where's that apex going to be? Looks like it's going to be right in this vector candle zone. There we go. Right there. And we'll draw a line right there, right where they meet. And that price is $8.22. So I believe I already said that number. Be looking at that one for sure. $8.22 for ICP. Let's go ahead and draw a Fibonacci on here. That is right in the platinum pocket between the 786 and the 886, right there, smack dab in the middle. So we could take a look, or we could, take a trip on down here. Who knows how long it could take to get down there? But I would say, it's looking overall generally bullish. The only question is, when does it break out? Now, if it did something like this, that would be actually line up perfectly with March, again, of 2025. So March could be the month that we are all going to be waiting for. Until then, I have no idea. Until then, it could just be chop sideways. Play the range highs and the range lows. Use proper risk management and make money. How about that? Hola, French Toaster. French Toaster back in the chat. What is going on? Trent Brock. How you doing, Trent Brock? So, yeah. But a lot of this will depend on how our EMAs and, our oscillators and all that stuff are looking down the road. For now, it's just hold steady. This wouldn't be the worst spot buy in the world. It is a close above the 200 daily EMA, so would not be the worst spot buy if you wanted to DCA. That is my opinion. It is not financial advice. So, but yeah. So that is ICP. What is this? I thought I got rid of this. All right. Spaceman, is there any levels? So we also have the previous quarter's midpoint sitting right there as well. So definitely a level that could get swept before we move to the upside. So definitely watching this area. Doesn't really matter to me how long it takes to get there. It doesn't have to take all the way to March to get there. As long as if it does get there, that is somewhere where I would be highly interested in firing off and going long on ICP. I don't know much about the project. I know it's got both good and bad things said about it all the time. But I just look at charts and press buy and sell. Okay, that's all. That's all I care about outside of Bitcoin. um. Yep. So yeah, I mean this is shaping up to look a lot like Ethereum. Ethereum looks a little healthier, of course, because it hasn't had that big of a pullback. But yeah, I'd be looking between that 805 and 870 level. So that is pretty wide range, but from current price going down to that 822 level, that's another 23%. So I mean, if you were to jump in right now, just know that there's the chance of you going down 20 to 30% from current price. And depending on if you were buying lower or from down here or not, if you were buying from down here, right now is a good DCA. If it goes lower, that's a good DCA. If it goes lower, that's a great DCA. If it breaks this low down here at 582 and you got in over here early, I would be probably getting out. I just would. Probably getting out much sooner, but I don't know. Excuse me. Well, all right, let's see. I saw SHIB. Was there something before SHIB so I don't skip over anything? Let's see. Alt equals emotional damage. David, could you take a look at link, please? ICP Tia dot link. So we'll look at Tia. I've got a feeling a lot of these are going to look a lot alike. Oh, that one looks worse. What do you want me to say about this? That it looks terrible? Do we have something with more history? Is that more history? Tia does not look good. Tia does not look good. Ooh, it's a poop coin. What if you bought the bottom? If you bought the bottom, you should have already been taking some profits, sniper. Is Tia dead? What is this? Hold on, I need to Google. Let's see. Tia token unlock. Unlocks investing, supply and release schedule, tokenomics supply and release schedule. So we can, this is what, this is on tokenomist.ai. .ai/Celestia. Let's see. Cliff unlock. Is this thing gonna load? Of course, it's from a .ai, so it might take a little while. Unlock events, or maybe is this premium stuff? Is this premium stuff? Is that why I can't do it, or are you taking forever to load? It looks like you're taking forever to load. There we go. Unlocked 496.89 million. Tia, discover past and upcoming unlock events. Oh, of course. Previous event of, oh wow, 37.88% of circulating supply. $900 billion. Token unlocks. Next, Tia token unlock. All in the 5 hours. They're releasing 125% of the supply, so more than current total apparently. Oh wow. Flashbang. Gang. Crypto rank. .io. R&D and ecosystem. Locked. 17, 27, 37, 45% of the tokens are locked. Unlocked. Locked 46%. Okay, all right. Next unlock 0.09%. So only 0.09% of the next unlock, or will be in the next unlock. Seed. Linear unlock 3 years. So this is 70.9% of the token supply. Unlocked so far 28.7%. Is that how this works? It's pretty weird. Timeline. Linear unlock 1 year. Linear unlock 2 years. So we are in an unlocking process for Tia for all of the unlocking tiers. So your linear unlock 1 year, your linear unlock 2 years, linear unlock 1 year. That's another one. Yeah, these are two different locking mechanisms, it looks like. So we got a cliff. They're both cliffs. TGE unlock information, the share of the total supply unlocked during the token generation event. Okay. 25%. So yeah. I mean, so we got some unlocking going on for Tia. That is going to increase your token supply, which will then do stuff like this and this. So yeah. Sitting on the daily, we just got back above, gotta close above the 200 daily EMA. I mean, maybe if you're going for some short-term price action, maybe you can aim for a potential move up here to $7.65 up to this vector candle, taking out this high, take a sweep of this high, and then potentially roll over and move back down to the downside, especially if we have more tokens being unlocked. I'm not buying it. I wouldn't either, Sniper's Nightmare. Oh, Rashad, what's going on? How are you, bro? Hope you're doing well tonight. Shout out to you all the way from Afghanistan. What are we doing here? You tell me, maybe a band-aid? What are we gonna do? Hey, do we want to do a daily degen? Kind of, you know how those guys over at the crypto nightcap, how they do like a daily degen. Do we want to do a daily degen? Do we want to find a daily? What are you guys looking at? What are you guys thinking about? Um, what are we looking at trading? Let's go over to the Blowfin perps. I feel like doing a daily degen. Let's go. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not really been moving, huh? Let's go down to the 1 minute. We're doing it live. Go down to the 1 minute. Burr, 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 burr. Go down to the 1 minute. Dun, 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 dun. Go down to the 1 minute. I said go down to the 1 minute. Does anybody get that at all? Any reference? Do 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 do. Trade intuition. What's going on? T.I. Joe in the house. Let's go. I was concentrating on the cookie I was eating. Sorry. Let's go. Pollo, I'm doing alts on 2x. Da, 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 da. I'm confirming my call trip Friday. Hope I can see you. Oh, getting a little bit of a dump ski. We got some zero prints. We got the 50 EMA on the 1 minute sitting below us. Let's go ahead and throw up a VWAP. Where's our VWAP? Oh, where are you, VWAP? There you are. Let's make you bright. Let's change your color. Let's make you orange-ish. Yellow? Let's make you yellow. All right, so we're getting some sellers coming in here. We've got a negative delta. We're coming into some stacked buy orders. Let's go ahead and bring up the Blowfin. Might have to log in. Give me 1 sec. I need my chair. I need my chair. I need the chair. Give me 1 sec. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. But don't look at my XRP trade, okay? It's only a 3x. It'll be all right. Finally loaded. All right, let's see. How can we do this? You won't let me go down to the 1 minute? Oh, yeah, you will. Okay. Degen. D-Jenny from the blockchain. Where's D-Jenny from the blockchain? Bing, 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 bing. High volume candle right here, which is exactly where we currently are. Sitting right there at that EMA. Does this have a VWAP? Low to high. VWAP. VWAP. Hey, it does. Sweet. Oh, big push. Big push for Bitcoin. What are you doing, Bitcoin? Where's the VWAP? Can't even see it. Same color as the 60 EMA. What's going on? Where's the VWAP? Are we sitting above it, below it? You just don't want to show it? What's going on? It's frustrating. All right, let's go over back to the trading view chart because this is getting boring. All right, so let's see. So we did get that big push up. Nice gap right here in orders. Look at that. See that gap in the orders? It just pushed straight through those orders there. Now we're starting to get some high volume coming in here. Right here. Looks like it's mostly sell volume coming in here, pushing the price down. We got up into these selling stacked orders up here. See the red zone right here? So that identifies stacked sell orders. The green zones identify stacked buy orders. I would still wait for us to come down and sweep this low and see if we can't get wait, where's my, there you are. There's my VWAP. So I want to see if we can get start seeing like a big buy delta. See the orders start piling in on the buy side once it reaches towards a point of interest. So once we get down to that point of interest, I'll be watching the volume footprint candles, seeing which side of the market is winning out, and that can lead you to potentially hop in trades and ride them to the next point of interest. Just a little bit of a tip for you guys. I'm going back to more research for next year. Okay. Wow. I hit the jackpot. That silver dollar I found has no mint arc. What does that mean? Yeah, steady plays. Compounding my big account, so I can't use high leverage. Well, you shouldn't use high leverage anyway. I just realized my head's getting cut off. Look at that delta, big buy delta coming in, pushing in. Ooh, big sell orders start to come in right here, but we got absorbed. We're absorbing them, absorbing the sell orders. The buy orders are taking control. All right, sellers starting to come in a little more. We are coming up to some stacked sells up here, stacked asks. We do have a big area of stacked ask right above us up here. So, but what this could mean, 13, the 5 and the 13 EMAs, we're getting a nice little push here. High volume push. Daily degen. We'll do $5. Come on. All right, we'll do, hold on, not yet. See a little bit of a space here. We have a little bit of a candle gap here. So we might come back down here to fill that gap. Go back over to the trading view chart. Where is that gap? Right here. We do have some buy orders there as well. Right there at 94.4. Ooh, look at that push. There's 15 seconds left in the candle, 10 seconds left. So I want to wait and see if we can hold this candle but get a push down real quick. We're still positive on our delta, but we can see our point of control has shifted. So we were putting in higher points of controls, which is the white blocks, until we got up to here, and now we've pushed down lower on the point of control. But we do have a buy delta greatly outweighing the well, we have a buy delta. Our buy volume by orders is greatly outweighing the sell orders up here at the highs. Um, hmm. But we still have this point of control down here that's untapped within a high volume candlestick right here with zeros on the left side of this candlestick. That's your ask. So these were zero sell orders right down here. So we know that we have some buying power right here at that 94.4. That could hold us up, sitting there at the 5. Still waiting to see. All right, so we put in a negative. See, our point of control stayed up here, but then now our sell volume is higher than our buy volume. I know you think, oh, that's obvious because of the candles. Now, it's not always the case. Sometimes our candle point of control diverts from what the candle itself was. So this could be a positive delta, a plus delta, meaning more buyers and sellers within the candle, and the candle still be red. So anytime you get a delta like that, that is a delta divergence. So those are areas where you kind of want to pay attention. See, big blue candle right here, we can see negative delta, but blue candle, that means this was a bullish candle. Negative delta, that is a delta divergence. We push higher. Now we are on the 1 minute chart, so let's go to the 5 minute. Just smash a like. If I can do it, you can too. Thanks, K Diggity. Thank you for being here. Caffeinated Crypto in the house. What's going on? Caffeinated Crypto, haven't seen you today. Nice to see you, says Alexandra. GGG. Yeah, it's great to see you all in here this evening. So yeah, we do have, yeah, that 94.3 area down here. Yeah. Point of control on the 5 minute, we can see it has shifted to the upside and now doing a little bit of consolidation. If this can push down here, but our point of control remain high, then I might consider, and we start getting bids on the lower end, then and positive delta as we push down here, then that is a point when I would consider going long. Are we on their session? Yes. That is when I would consider going long. If we go back to our regular candles, we can see that is a vector candle right down there at that 94.3. And we also have the 50 EMA sitting right there, the 5 minute 50 EMA, that is. But it does look like we all right, so let's turn on our fluid trades SMC light so we can get some market structure in here. Let's go ahead and turn off the trader's reality so we can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and also change the VWAP back to white style. Are we trying to push to the upside, Mr. Bitcoin? Right when I decided not to, of course. But we can see let's turn off the magnet. Let's do the internal. So I'm not going to count this right here. So I don't count this move. Why? Why don't I count that move to the upside? Because it didn't take out this low. This was the first pullback low. I don't count one candles as pullbacks. I will count multiple candles as pullbacks. So I don't count this low right here. I want to see a break of a low first, and then the multi-candle pullback. Then we see that we get the multi-candle pullback into the VWAP, and then we push lower. Look at that. I should have went long, dang it. Should have went long. Same thing on the other side of that. We can see we push down, come up, hit our head on the VWAP, come down, create a higher low, come up, break that high there, and then we consolidate, and then we push higher. Now, typically, I would just aim for these highs right here. Zoom out a little bit. Let's go from this low to this high. We can see we came down to the golden pocket. So this move has the potential to come back, to come up and take out this high, because if we do zoom out a little bit, this is more of an internal range high, with this being our external range right here. I just draw this out. You see, this is what we would consider this the range, high to low. We built an internal range high that we can then, so we come back down, we pull back, and now we look to maybe create a 5-wave structure to the upside. 1, 2, 3. Third wave always breaks the highs. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Sweep the highs right there, and then from there is when we might get our rollover. Although there is a chance that we do break 100 again, 100K again, before we get the bigger rollover that I am expecting. But I wouldn't, I wouldn't guarantee, I'm not gonna guarantee anything, you know what I mean? But yeah. Okay, now it's getting that pullback. Oh, a little bit. Looking like we're getting some absorption in here. Just trying to get some movement. Let's see. Lido Dow is up. That's some ugly VWAP right there. Let's see. Let's go. See if there's anything. Zen is up. Zoom out on Zen. Wow. One, two, three, four, 5. Zen is on its way to the downside. Oscillator, putting in potentially a bearish divergence with lower highs on our oscillator and higher high on our price. That would be a bearish divergence. I would look for a pullback and move up into a point of interest and then go short. Take out the low. That's what I would look for right here on Zen. Go short. If it consolidates down here at the low, below that line, that could be a consolidation for continuation to the downside. ETH about to pump. All right, let's take a look at ETH. 5 minute. Degen. Degen from the blockchain. Got a nice little cup in here. It's typically a buy. This is typically what you see when you've got some buying going on in the charts. This is why they call it scooping it up, because it looks like a scoop. Looks like you're just scooping up the asset. Holy crap, it's 11:20. Market makers watching you, David. Yeah, that's why I'm looking over here to the side and looking at a different chart. I don't know what I'm looking at. Look at Zcash. What are you doing, Zcash? Everybody's second favorite privacy coin. Look at that. Creating a new high. Zcash. I say new high, not all-time high, but what is this, Blowfin? Let's go to Zcash. No one's talking about Zcash, and look at this thing, man. It looks like it's been rocking and rolling. It's another oldie but goodie privacy coin. So this is on the daily. If I take from this high down to this low, this high, thank you. Zoom in. Let's turn off that VWAP. VWAP. Holy cannoli. Zcash. Zcash looking mighty fine. I would be watching that 786 though, just above us at $71.51. Because that's going to be your next major level of resistance at the 786, and then we have the 886 at $75.37. Let's go ahead and bring up the market dynamics. I want to bring on, blocks. Give me the blocks. You ain't got no blocks. I gotta go down to a smaller time frame. Go down to the 4-hour. Bet there's a high order block or something right here. No? Interesting. Do we have equal lows over here? Low, low, potentially. Do have this fair value gap sitting right here. So, and if we're on the 4-hour, we're seeing a steady growth here on the Heikinashi. No really thinning of the candles, man. I don't know, Zcash, are you trying to do something? Are you trying to do more? You need to calm down, buddy. Oh my goodness. Talk about a freaking scoop. Look at that Zcash chart on the weekly. That could turn into something pretty nice. I'll be watching that Zcash. Look at that big old buy candle. Does someone know something we don't know? No, let it run. Keep going. Yeah, I want it to keep going too. Shout out to Zcash. Put a 1 in chat if you love Zcash. Put a 2 in chat if that was the first time you have ever even heard of Zcash. That's what I want to know. I got into this about 2 days ago. Look at that. I bought into ETH at 32.72. Oh, you're talking about ETH. Yeah. Live peer looking pretty decent. I like this chart. It is 3-day. So even though I am expecting, you know, a broader market pullback, especially with Bitcoin, we can see that the Bitcoin dominance is pushing to the downside. So that means we are seeing some altcoins, at least more than half of the market, I guess, is more than half of the Bitcoin market supply and the altcoins is more than half of the altcoin market, or at least the altcoin market is putting out more dominance, is buying up more altcoins than they are Bitcoin. Gotta go. Have a good night. What's the numbers for you? For yo, forgot. What's the numbers for yo? Forgot. If you have ever heard of Zcash before, put a 1 in the chat. If this was the first time you ever heard of Zcash, put a 2 in the chat. Good night. Good night. Who's saying good night? Oh, Alexandra G. You gone? Gotta go. Have a good night, everyone. Good night, Alexandra G. Thank you for sharing my YouTube in the chat. Please give me a follow if you haven't, and a sub. And but yeah, thank you, Alexandra G, for being here. Thank you, as always. 3. What is 3? 3 is have heard of it but don't like it. Is that what it is, Cafe Crypto? Yeah. Is that, or is 3 is I don't hate it, I don't date it, I just trade it. That's pretty much how I feel about all of crypto. Not really, but a lot of it. What number for if I have Zcash in a wallet I don't remember the seed phrase for? That would be a big fat 0, because that is the amount of Zcash you will ever see from that wallet ever again. I'm sorry, maybe a band-aid. That might have been a little too harsh. I'm sorry. But it's only the truth, you know? You come here for the truth, all right? You come here for the truth. There's a 0. You don't come here to be lied to. You come here for what I believe is to be true. Whether or not it is, that is why you do your own research. I can only tell you what I think I know. What's our ES looking like? Bing bong. We don't talk about some of my DeFi holdings from last cycle. Yeah, we don't. We're not going to talk about it. So yeah, I mean, this is still looking like how I think it's going to play out. I said I think we're going to get the move up. The only thing that I haven't seen yet is the move up in Bitcoin. I want to see the move up in Bitcoin before we get the move down and across the board. But if I didn't get to any of your cryptos or any of your assets, I'm sorry, but I have been going on for an hour and a half. So, but I will have a lot of time to do stuff during my time off, of course, after the holidays. So, but I might be able to hop in the Discord and do some Discord charting. So join the Piper Academy Discord in the description down below, and we can get in the Discord and get into the video chat as a community and talk about charts together and whatever else, you know, we want to talk about. But yeah. Yep. But before we go, we've got to, because we want to see higher prices, you know, we got to pray to the moon gods. We got to chant. So let's go ahead and do it. Moon gods, Bring unto us higher prices for gains, O moon gods. Thank you for everything. The end. Thank all you beautiful people for joining me tonight. I greatly appreciate each and every single last one of you, as always. I'm not sure if who has a show tomorrow, if we have shows tomorrow, but if we do have shows tomorrow, make sure that you check them out. Good Morning Crypto with BC Port Corp. I'm sure he'll be on. The morning market report with Piper Academy. It is a trading day. The markets are open until 1 p.m. The New York Stock Exchange, that is open until 1 p.m. Then it'll be done. That's Eastern Standard Time. Then it'll be done for the rest of the day, and it'll be closed on Wednesday, and then the markets will open back up on Thursday. So because there won't be a whole lot of fishiness maybe going on in the markets on Christmas Day, maybe we'll get a single Christmas Day pump. That'll be our suckers rally before we push back on down to the downside. That is my current thesis, and that is what I'm sticking with for now. It is bear down, even though I'm not a Chicago Bears fan. It is Bear Town time, okay? I am at least taking a step back and reconsidering on taking longs as of now. And I'm considering taking shorts, but I want to see if we get the retrace and what we do from that, or at that retrace, if we get it. If we just break down, we just break down, and then I gotta try to find a way to get in. But yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow, somewhere, somehow. Don't forget to join the Piper Academy Discord. I really do want to hop in there and do some just charting with the community. And that way we can also have more direct conversations, more direct questions. Like if you have questions about chart prime or anything like that, be glad to help. Price action, how to spot support and resistance, how to pull fibs, or how I pull my fibs, at least, whatever it is. If you saw something interesting on this stream tonight or any of my previous streams or anything like that, just get in the Discord, hop in there, ask me a question, see if I am available to hop on the video chat. I'm gonna be honest, a lot of the times the answer is probably gonna be no, because I'm so busy outside. But after Christmas Day, I do have a lot of time until the 2nd of January. So yeah. But anywho, I will be on at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So T.I. Joe, Mr. Trader Joe, will be on for the Trade Academy tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see if I can do Mad tomorrow night or not. It is only 10 to 11. 11 is probably a little early to be doing Santa, so especially for this little one. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I won't. You guys will know because you will get that notification because you hit that notification bell after you subscribe to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button with the other 6,600 plus people that have subbed to the channel and join the amazing Piper Academy community. You can see the chat. They're awesome people. And join the Discord. We've got awesome people in there as well. Great traders. We got trading mentors. I'm in there. And yeah. Don't forget the NFT Billy Gotel's NFT book giveaway, where YouTube membership gives you 1 entry. A Discord WAP upperclassman gives you 2 entries. If you are a member of both, a subscriber of both, then you will get 3 entries. And that's it, guys. So now I can finally say goodbye. As always, I appreciate each and every single last one of you for being here. Mad love. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. A good night.
Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, find out you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one Lunar Beach's top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after top, I shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see future in sight. It's markets after dark, live financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar flows. Community vibes where everybody grows. Analyzing trends while the world lays low. Markets after dark where only brilliant shows. Hit that subscribe and join the ride. In the world of finance where fortunes collide. Lunar's path will be your guide. Through the market storm or the market tide. Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, find out you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one Lunar Beach's top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dark, I shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, find out you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one Lunar Beach's top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, find out you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one Lunar Beach's top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dark, I shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see future in sight. Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, find out you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one Lunar Beach's top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark.
I love you guys. Thank you.
Welcome to the night where we light up the spark. We're trading crypto, find out you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one Lunar Beach's top shark. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dark, I shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trends, see future in sight. It's markets after dark, live financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar flows. Community vibes where everybody grows. Analyzing trends while the world lays low. Markets after dark where only brilliant shows. Hit that subscribe and join the ride. Welcome to to the night where we light up the spot. We're trading crypto, finance, you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one, Lunar Beach's top shot.
I give up. I don't know why it continues to start over, but it shouldn't do that. So I'm just gonna let it play out this time, and that'll be it. It's already played over 10 times, so why not one more time? Once again, thank you guys. I love you, and good night.
Welcome to the night where we light up the spot. We're trading crypto, finance, you'll be mad on the charts. Hosted by the one, Lunar Beach's top shot. Dive deep into the numbers cause this ain't no lark. We're crunching all the data, making money moves fast. From Wall Street to the blockchain, making predictions last. Community together in this financial blast. Markets after dollar shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright lights. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trend, see future in sight. It's markets after dark, the financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar flows. Community vibes where everybody grows. Analyzing trends while the world lays low. Markets after dark were only brilliant shows. Hit that subscribe and join the ride. In the world of finance where fortunes collide. Lunar's path will be your guide. Through the market storm or the market tide. On the charts with Lunar's bright light. Crypto markets soaring through the night. From Bitcoin markets soaring fast. Markets after dollar shatter ceilings made of glass. Mad on the charts with Lunar's bright light. Crypto markets soaring through the night. Follow the trend, see the future in sight. It's markets after dark, the financial flight. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, we're mapping the road. Stock tips and insights, secrets ready to unload. Trading strategies, sharp on knowledge be showed. Let Lunar Beaches guide you to the mother lode. Economic loops and the way the dollar flows. Community vibes where everybody grows.